All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Lappydog.
And I want to sing a song for you.
It's Lappydog.
Show you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
So before my road trip for my birthday, June the 10th, my Kuryakyn wiring harness failed. I had always heard about the junction box under the seat of the Kuryakyn wiring harness was bad, and I've had it on there for about 3 years, and my trailer went cattywampus. But I called Lewis. He talked me into putting a band-aid on it until I got home. When I got home, I reached out to him. He told me to come right on in. He put his electric connection converter box on it, and it's working perfectly fine. Appreciate you, Lewis. And the electric connection, old Slapdog is ready to ride for the next road trip. Here's a few videos of what I had to go through and get the solution that I got.
Drop everything first and then it works better. If you look at this, all of our relays are exposed.
Yeah.
And that's because these do generate a little bit of heat and you want them to be able to cool themselves off. Well, this one, everything is completely encapsulated. There's no way for any heat to work its way out of there, so it all stays inside of it.
Right.
Plus, look at the
size.
Footprint. We're almost half the size.
Right. And you said that's a Subaru?
The relays in this come out of a Toyota Camry for the power windows. And the reason is a power window has such a current draw on it that Omron puts, instead of having a small contact pad, they put a bigger contact pad. That way when the relay turns on, it causes less carbon arcing because we have a bigger contact point.
Yeah.
So it has a longer lifespan.
Hey, man. Man, I'm good. I come here to get healed up. Thanks, Lewis. I'm a happy customer. You are the Goldwing Whisperer. Electric connection. Peace to the next road trip.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow.